Welcome to Emma's Adventures. Today we're making bread.
Woo! Let's go make some bread. Nice.
One more spoon. Done.
All right, you ready? You got the flour in. Now what else? We're gonna add some yeast. Good girl.
Salt.
And we're gonna add some salt.
That's weird. Why do you add salt in bread?
Well, we make bread with salt. All right. Just stir it.
I'm just gonna make salt
Yeah. Yep.
everywhere. So mix. And then we're
We're
gonna
gonna
put
add a little water.
now mix. It's kind of funny. I never did this before with flour.
Yeah. It looks good though.
It smells like oatmeal now when I used to when I was 4.
Oh. Get to mix.
Oh, the flour. Look at my hands.
That looks good. All right, now the fun begins. We are separating it. That's awesome.
This is
The bread.
This is like always how my grandma makes bread. Always.
And my mommy,
Yeah,
your grandma. Yep. All right, go ahead. Keep making the rest. You still have all this now.
yeah. It looks great. I just don't want to make it cracks.
Yeah.
This one's a little
No.
Next. I do have party good else.
You're doing so good. I love this. This is your first time. Are you sure this is the first time?
I never made it before.
You never made bread before? That's amazing.
I never made stuff with flour before.
Yeah.
Yeah, never. And now it looks
You made cupcakes and stuff, just not bread. Last one. That's it. You did it all, girl. Woo! That's amazing.